नमस्कार, आर के त्यागी गाजियाबाद एनसीआर दिल्ली ओम सच्ची जनवानी चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, 1 सेकंड खर्च होगा और हमारी मदद होगी, चैनल का विस्तार प्रचार होगा। और वीडियो को शेयर लाइक कमेंट करें, सभी साथियों तक वीडियो जाएगी शेयर करने से। और रिटायर्ड साथियों के इशूज व्यूज और न्यूज़ पॉपुलर होंगे, पॉपुलराइज होंगे, प्रोपोगेट होंगे। ऑल सेक्शंस ऑफ सोसाइटी, ऑल सेक्शंस ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज तक वीडियो जाएगी। गवर्नमेंट एट लार्ज, पब्लिक एट लार्ज, गवर्नमेंट तक जाएगी और हमारे व्यूज इशूज न्यूज़ प्रचारित होंगे। आओ, एक अर्लियर रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ कम्यूटेशन रिकवरी केस एट मद्रास हाई कोर्ट, इसके बारे में है। फाइल नंबर WP 158981/2024, केस नंबर WP 3640/204, हिस्ट्री ऑफ केस हियरिंग, जज आइटम नंबर, डेट बिजनेस हियरिंग, डेट पर्पज ऑफ हियरिंग, एडजॉर्नमेंट, ऑनरेबल मिस्टर जज R सुब्रमण्यम, ऑनरेबल मिस्टर जस्टिस C कुमारप्पन। आइटम नंबर, बिजनेस हियरिंग डेट, पर्पज ऑफ हियरिंग, एडजॉर्नमेंट। नंबर 6 29 November 24 for admission, postponed 3 December 24 admission writ petition। 9 3 December 24 for counter, postponed 6 January 25 immediately after admission। 6 January 25 admission, VP our prayer, declaring that explanation 2 to submit regulation 17 or regulation 23 of the State Bank of India Employees Pension Fund regulation 2014, which provides for restoration and commuted pension after period of 10 years as unconstitutional and consequently direct the respondents to restore the full pension due to the petitioner on expiry of 10 years from the date of commutation, and refund the excess amount recovered from the petitioners with interest at the rate of 12% per annum and pass. Let us hope that our petition brings a review on the present commutation scheme and relief to all our pensioners. The Telangana High Court stay order as in RAM is said to be applicable to all pensioners across India who have crossed 10 years of retirement and paid 10-year recovery installments. If so, our November recovery should have been stopped till the final verdict of Telangana High Court case filed by group of 142 PI pensioners and order in RAM is a legal action or judgment that is direct against the property rather than a specific person. The term comes from the Latin phrase which means against a thing. In RAM proceeding, the court adjudicates the rights to a property for all potential rights holders even if they are not named in the lawsuit. The court can exercise in RAM jurisdiction over any real or personal property within its territorial jurisdiction. The judgment is limited to the property and law does not follow a person. The court can exercise in RAM jurisdiction even if the property's owner is not within the court territorial jurisdiction. In RAM proceedings are different from in personam proceedings which are directed toward a specific person. Proceeding adjudicates the rights to a particular piece of property for every potential right. The purpose of an in RAM action is often to determine or settle the title or the right of the possession to an item of property. A judgment in RAM holds a right as against the whole world. Since the respondent is SBI chairman, the Telangana lawyer has opined that it is applicable to all SBI pensioners. Similarly, the placed we need to confirm on it. M सोमासुंदरम जी का ये पोस्ट है, उन्होंने लिखा है। आगे इसमें